Hello guys, this is my PC cabinet and how it started I'll tell you. This switch of the cabinet was not working, then I had to press it very hard, then I pressed it, the switch actually fell off. So if you see this, uh, when you press this button, a small micro switch like this gets pressed, and it was connected to these two wires, and this is how the PC started or was put to sleep. So actually, when you press this button, this micro switch used to get pressed, and accordingly the action was performed. The micro switch was connected to these two wires. So if I only touch them like this, then also the start action of the CPU would be performed. Now that the button was damaged, I was forced to change it. So I'm an electronics and telecommunication engineer, so it would be a shame if I go out to some local vendor to get this button replaced. So I'm trying to replace it on my own using my college time PCB. I don't know what this PCB does, but yeah, it has so many buttons. I'll just take one button out, and then I'll place it over here. I mean, I'll attach it, I'll solder it to these two wires, then I'll put it in this groove, and I'll install this button on top of it so that it starts working fine. So let's see. I'll forward the video somewhere in between, but I'll try to give you the entire footage so that the budding engineers can come to know how to solder and all. I'll keep giving you tips as well as far as I remember. So see, this is really good soldering, I can say. I'll take out this switch because this is the least nicely soldered. So I'll take this one out. It is this switch. Okay, so I've already heated the soldering gun. This is called as a soldering gun. This is called as the I think soldering film or something. I don't know. I don't remember now. But this is, I think, aluminum, and the tracks are of copper. And this is soldering wax. It is used to bind the aluminum with copper in a better way. So it improves the binding of aluminum and copper. So I'm going to remove this aluminum. Okay, I'm heating it, and this button already fell off. Okay, now let me show you the architecture of the button. It just has uh, two lids. Okay, I'll just connect one to one wire and the other to the other wire, and then whenever you and when I install it, so when I press this button, this micro switch gets pressed, and accordingly these two wires will be connected. And you don't press it long press. Okay, you just press it and let it go, right? So these two wires get connected and disconnected, and that causes the CPU to turn on. Okay, now let me put this away, and let us try to solder the switch with these wires. So always place your component like this. Okay, and this is extremely hot, so don't hold it by mistake. And then place the wires in such a way that you're able to solder them. So I'm placing it like this. Okay, I'll try to solder it like that. Okay. Okay, I'll first put some aluminum on the soldering gun. I'll put these two together. It should attach them. Yeah, I'll do the same for the next one. Okay, I hope it works. That's it. Now let me try it without installation. Okay, now a moment of truth. Let me press this micro switch. Does it turn on the PC? So let's see. Yeah, it does turn on the TV, a PC. So I think that is working. This much is enough. Now let me just install it properly. But before that, let me turn it off again. Yeah. Now let me just put it in this groove. Now for that, I'll need to adjust the camera, I guess. Okay, I hope you're able to see it now. Okay. Now I'll have to fit it in this particular groove. That's the easy thing. It should stay. It should stay erect while getting inserted in that groove. Yeah, there it is. And to press it, I need to just install this button. So let me slowly and steadily install the button. Okay. Now when I press it, it should start the PC. I'll connect it again to the power. Okay, now let me press it and see. You can also check using this small little light which you can see over here. Okay, so this light will turn off momentarily when the PC will start. Okay, i'll I'll try to show it to you. Okay, this light should turn turn off momentarily. Okay. Okay, now I'm pressing the button. See, it turned off. That means the switch is working fine. So this is how you basically install a switch. I'm so sorry for ruining my college days project. I don't even remember what was this used for, but um, I really used to solder well at that time. I don't know what has happened to me now. I've got a little more clumsy. So this is how you normally solder, and this is how the electronic components work. Until next time, Jai Shri Ram. ये है अमित शिरासाव, अमित शिरासाव, अमित शिरासाव, अमित शिरासाव.